What's up, everybody? What? Oh Lord, look at that. We got all kinds of nasty stuff on. All right, guys, we're up here at Chickamauga. We're doing some fishing, and I know I've never really been here. Not on camera, at least. I've been here in the past, but man, I ain't been able to catch nothing. So I'm up here at Chickamauga today, and we're doing some fishing up here. And I finally come up here because I didn't want to come up here until I had my graph, until I could see and have a map of the lake and like run around and keep from hitting anything, and like, because this lake's tricky. It ain't like Parksville where it's just all deep as hell, but this lake, you got to be careful. You need, I mean, unless you've been here a long time and you've been running this lake your whole life, you need some kind of map, unless you're gonna run up on the ground, because it can go from like 5 feet, 6 feet to no feet real quick. So we're up here fishing. We're just gonna see what we can catch. There's so much space up here, so much water, a lot of potential for some huge bass in this lake. So let's try to catch some fish. Hopefully we'll catch something. Crappie, bass. Hell, I'll take a bluegill right now. I've been out so many times. But all right, guys, let's go fishing. Let's see what we can catch. Well, guys, I forgot my traditional camera mount. So, or my traditional camera mount. I forgot my dang camera mount, my chest mount, and my head strap. I left them at the house, or maybe in the car. I'll run back to the car and see here in a little bit. But I've got my gooseneck here, and I've got it attached to my seat, and I made up my own new kind of camera angle. And as I pivot around, it may work out. Heck, it might be a good way to shoot like this. I know as of right now, it's a lot nicer not to have anything on my head, and then I can kind of look over it. I just have to pay attention that the seat is pointed in the direction of which oh wait, what am I doing? I just tied this on here. I didn't tie the dang lure to it, so now I gotta go back to it. And I just want to get used to the lake and get to know it. And right now we're in pretty shallow water. We're gonna throw a chatterbait, bluegill kind of color. It's a little dark, I mean a little natural kind of for this water, but I'm hoping we've got about, I don't know, roughly 2 feet of visibility. And I think we could get a big bass to slam on it as it goes across. I don't know, I got different ideas. Let's see if we can make those ideas happen for me. See if we can catch some fish. This camera angle is weird, but see if we can put some. What's the temperature of the water? We're hitting about 63. How's the camera angle? Yeah, it's not bad being on the seat like this. Not as bad as I thought it might be. I just want to catch some fish, guys. Like, I need to catch some fish. Like, when it gets warm out, I bet these places are just loaded with fish. The visibility of this thing. There we go. There's a good fish. That's a big bass. See, guys, I'm telling you. Oh, potential on this lake. Ah, God, it's a fat bass. That's a nice largemouth, guys. Oh, I need a net. God, I need my net. Oh, come off here. I need to get in the boat. Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, nice. Fat largemouth bass. Hit that chatterbait right up there as it was coming up. Look at that, guys. That is a nice bass. Look at that. God, I wish I had a better camera thing going on, but I think y'all were able to see that pretty well. Man, guys, look at that. Beautiful fat largemouth bass. Just absolutely beautiful fish. Look at that mouth, man. Nice bass. There we go, guys. Look at that largemouth. That's why I got to start fishing here more, because there's major potential. Let's dunk this thing. The potential for fish is just on point. I mean, you can catch some big bass up here. Now, I got to start fishing here more, and now that I have Navionics, I'm able to see where I'm going and what I'm doing. We're going to be catching some bass, guys. Let's let this guy go. All right, guys, let's let this fish go. He took off. All right, guys, started getting a little rain. Hopefully it won't get too much on my camera. We're just gonna look for some donkeys today. We're gonna try to catch some more Big ones. Oh, thank you, Lord. Finally knocked the skunk off the boat. Here lately, I ain't been able to catch nothing. Today, we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna catch a few more, hopefully. And just keep keeping on. What I'm doing is I tied fresh line on, and it's shallow through here. You know, the main channel right in here, about 4 feet, but most of this is really shallow, 2 or 3 feet. So I got a chatterbait, kind of a bluegill pattern, and we're just fishing for them. All that jiggling and wiggling got the fish thing going good. Well, we got a nasty looking rain thing coming in here. Hopefully it won't be too bad. Well, guys, we're underneath my rain jacket. I'm trying to keep my camera, even though I got my waterproof stuff on. I got these little fuzzies, trying to let this storm or water pass by. Everything's getting wet. That thing's supposed to be waterproof. I imagine it is. I think I'm gonna keep fishing though. We're just gonna kind of put this on my head, and we're just gonna keep on. I'm gonna keep my camera dry. I know this is a little ridiculous. I'm not sure how the audio sounds. I know I'm waterproof, so that's a plus. Freak. Dang it. It's like I caught that nice bass right before the weather just went to complete, utter crap. I mean, it's pouring. Everything's wet. I'm wet as hell now. I should have put my rain jacket on. Oh my God, it is pouring down rain, guys. Oh my Lord, it's raining so hard. It's raining. I mean, dumping down. Oh Lordy, I hope y'all can hear me. Hopefully these audio things, I know they get water in them. They'll probably sound like, probably won't sound right. I moved from where I was because I thought, you know, I don't know. I was like, I can get on the bank here if it like gets too nasty. It looks real nasty off over there. Like right from there to there. I know y'all can't probably see. I know y'all probably can't see very well, but from like over there to over there, it looks like there's something bad happening. But over there, it don't look too bad. I mean, hell, we're wet now. Everything's getting soaking wet. Electronics are getting wet. I was on, man, as soon as I caught that big bass, like just as soon as I hit that big bass, it just turned the crap on me. I mean, it was like when I filmed that intro, within 10 minutes, it went from, oh Lordy, that's scary. The lightning makes me nervous. I don't like playing with lightning. I just want to run from it. Lightning makes me nervous. I'll go hide under a tree. I don't know what to do. I'm like, thought about going back and sitting in the car. Just chilling, waiting a minute. But it kind of looks like it's going off to the right. Hopefully. This thing, with this water and this rain, this thing pretty much turned this thing invisible in the water. All it does is, I mean, they can feel that thing thumping. Oh Lordy. Turn nasty real quick out here. Thing's wet. Keep pushing off in the other direction. I don't mind for the rain. Rain doesn't, I mean, it sucks, but I mean, way better than lightning. Lightning's what sucks. Real bad. What do y'all think about this camera angle? Like this. Suck? Maybe it sucks, I don't know. It might not be that bad though. Maybe like really bad, hell, I can tell. I'm not sure. Maybe I should like do it over top of it. Is that wrong? Well, guys, we are wet. Ooh. All my reels are wet. Just a wet situation. I was so excited about catching that bass. And then just as soon as I caught it, just as soon as I put it back in the water, it just come monster, and that looks horrible over there. I mean, like, it looks straight bad. I think y'all can see that. Y'all see that? It's like a wall cloud. I think it's just pouring down rain. All right, I'm gonna go back to the car.